Today we got the eMeet SmartCam S800. This is eMeet's newest and probably most powerful SmartCam. Although eMeet sent this sample to us, they didn't try to stop us from talking about any flaws. But in fact, there's not much I need to complain about with the S800 either, so it's a product I'm very happy with. I also hope this video will be of some help to those looking to buy a webcam. Okay, now let's unbox this. First of all, I like the packaging because the printing is very simple, but you have all the info printing on the surface. And all right. Okay, now this is the webcam packaged in a very neat way. I think you have the protections here, so really good. Okay, all right, cable and manual. Okay, that's all the things in the package. I'm glad to see that they use USB-C port instead of old micro USB ports, and it is USB 3.0. Of course, the cable is also USB 3.0. The reason for having 3.0, besides being able to provide more current to the S800, the higher transfer rate also gives it the ability to record 4K video. If you use your own USB 2.0 cable, then the recording resolution will only be 1080p. Let's take a closer look at what makes this SmartCam so special in its design. To protect your privacy, the camera lights up to alert you when it's working. Plus, there's a physical cover here, and you can turn the camera off by toggling the slider here. I tried it for you guys. You can't see anything when it's off. Below the SmartCam, there's a pivot that provides a certain range of rotation. At the bottom, there's a mounting structure that hooks onto the top of the monitor, just like the monitor light bar. It can be mounted on thick monitors like ours easily as well. It also has a quarter screw holes on the bottom if you want to use it with a tripod. As a webcam, the S800 has everything it should have, which is pretty good. If you want to get clear footage on your PC, but you don't have a professional camera or video capture device like this one, then getting a webcam is one of the best choices. This S800 uses a half-inch Sony sensor and it can record up to 4K 30fps or 1080p 60fps video. Obviously, both of these specs are perfect for live streaming. So let's talk about the image quality in a different place. So the footage you see right now was recorded by the S800. The recording software used is Windows built-in camera. I don't know if you are satisfied with the quality, but at least I am. To show just how awesome this half-inch Sony sensor is, we got a laptop's built-in camera and a phone's front-facing camera to do a little comparison. This is the laptop's built-in camera. This is the front camera of a cell phone. And this is the footage from S800. You can clearly see how big the difference is. Whether it's for online meetings or live streaming, the S800 will always be one of the best options. It even has an HDR feature, which when turned on, you get images with a greater dynamic range, a very attractive feature for those in poor lighting conditions. The S800 is better than professional cameras in one thing: the focusing distance can be very close. This, along with the focusing system consisting of the PDAF and the TOF, makes it perfect for showcasing close-ups of items. This feature will be very helpful to salesmen who do shopping live stream, as they often have to show different items in front of the camera. A very quick focusing system is very important for them. Also, the two built-in microphones are nice. If you haven't chosen your favorite microphone yet, it would not be a bad idea to use it for live streaming first. You don't need any other software to adjust the basic video settings of this device. You can twist the sharpness effect, saturation, and exposure in the Windows settings. Resolution and frame rate can also be adjusted, but in a different menu. If you want to get better image quality, then you will need to download eMeet Link, which controls the various settings, just like a professional camera. Things like face detection and HDR are very useful features. Also, I wish eMeet Link would have a built-in chroma key function. It would make it easier for newbies to start a live stream. Oh, and for the cable, I also wish they would give a USB A to C adapter. After all, a lot of laptops and tablets don't have a USB A ports anymore. The eMeet SmartCam S800 is a great webcam. It pretty much does the best it can in terms of image quality and functionality. I used the S800 for a live stream once. You can check out the video quality here. If you want to watch more, you can go to that video later. Even though it was only 1080p 30 fps, I was still happy with the image quality of the live stream. Although we will still use a mirrorless camera for live streaming in the future, I will also keep it because we need a second camera for our live streaming. Remember to check out the link down below to know more about this product. I'm Will from China. We'll see you next time.